Alright guys, I have for you a challenge lock made by PickaWinner. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. This is called Simply Evil. And I don't know how simple it is, but this is the key. He sent a similar, although harder lock to Bill Bacardi, and he opened it on his channel earlier this week. See that it works. There's a little hang up. That's because of all the modifications that are done, I'm sure. Now, PickaWinner said that Bill's lock was harder, and the modifications he made there aren't the same ones that he made on this lock. So although I've seen Bill's video, seen him open it, that doesn't necessarily help me with this lock. I have opened this lock, but it was on my lunch break, so I wasn't filming it. PickaWinner said that that's okay, that I opened it within the 1 week window, so that counts. He was just trying to prove a concept, but I still want to open it on camera. So this is just going to be an intro, because I probably won't open it after this. I might, but probably will have to combine this video with another video where I finally open it. And let me just show you why this lock is so devious, why it's evil. He says it's simply evil. I think it's just plain evil. Using the 50 thousandths tension wrench from the Longhorn tension set that I reviewed earlier on my channel, because I can control the core completely, which, as you'll see, is absolutely essential. Okay, let's check 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, massive false set. Okay. Then the next while I'm going to be trying to fight my way out of that. What if I don't want to? Alright, let's try clockwise. Okay, surely that'll be different. 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, warding, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, oh, okay, also warding, 5, you drop in another false set. It's not quite as false. Okay, there you go. I was going to say it's not as quite as deep until you poke number 1 even a little bit, and then you go into this massive false set. So no matter which way you try to open the lock, you have to set number 5 first, then you fall into a massive false set. So that is why this lock is so tricky. Alright, I'm going to end the video here or not. It depends on if I can open it in the next 10 minutes. If I can open it, ignore this section. If I can't, you won't hear this section, because I'll join this video with another video where I open it. Alright guys. Pry bar or tension wrench 50 thousandths for the Longhorn set. Peterson hook number 1. Actually, I'm going to try counterclockwise. See what we have. Alright, set number 1. It's open, right? I wish. Okay, manual counter rotation. See where we are. Got some clicks. Not open yet. Gotta go back, look for more. Super deep false set. Not open though. Super deep false set. So what I'm trying is I'll manually counter rotate it. Oh my goodness, I opened it. Wow. Oh boy. I don't know if you could hear it in my voice, but I am so surprised that opened that quickly. Last time the only time it took me an hour. Oh wow, oh boy. Okay. That was deceptive. This lock does not open that fast. This lock is hard. Oh wow. Oh man. Okay guys. I'm at a loss for words. That is absurd. I've tried to open this lock for several hours without any luck. Oh, so the one time that I opened it, but other than that, no luck, no love whatsoever. Holy crap. Okay, well, awesome. You can see it's open. No trickery here. My word, that was fast. Is this the right size? This isn't the right size. That's okay. Actually, that's You may not want me to take that apart. I want to know what's inside though. Alright, maybe I wasn't supposed to do that. Actually, now that I think about it, yeah. He sealed that on, so I wouldn't be able to take it apart. Sorry about that. Hopefully it's okay that I'm opening it. Oh my word, guys. I did not expect it to open whatsoever. That whole middle section where I'm saying how I'm gonna not include this. Wow. That is... I am shocked. Okay, the spring did not fall out, but it's in there. Okay. Here's the key, super flat, quick set. You think it'd be an easy lock. It's not. It's not easy whatsoever. I don't think I need a shim, but I'm going to use one anyway. Come on. I should have had that ready, but I wasn't actually thinking I would open the lock. Probably enough. Okay, that's interesting. That's very interesting. On the lock, he sent Bill Bacardi. Here, let me see if I can focus on that. Both sides were wallowed out. But on this one, just one side is wallowed out. That's really interesting. Man, look at that. Whew. I cannot believe I opened it. Oh boy, I'm in shock. Alright, number one. And I'm thinking that these are all normal. Yep, nothing on number one. Nothing on 2. Looks like some wear, probably from me trying to open this fridge not so long. Man, yeah, look at those mods. It's beautiful work. So that's why you had to set number 5. No matter which way you intentioned it, number 5 had to be set first. Alright, let's see what we have up here. Move the shim. Move that away a little bit. Look at that sharp lip. That is designed to grab that wallowing out in the core. Springs being shy, but that's okay. Oh, nice. That one also has some serrations. I'll show you close up at the end, like always. Come on. Yeah, look at that. These are designed to just snag up and trap you. And number 5, because that's how the whole thing begins. There's no modifications there. Number 4? Number 4, where are you? What on earth? Oh, okay. There it is. Well, that was weird. Looks like all the springs are the same. Except on 5, I'm missing one spring. Which one are you? think I'm missing a spring. Just a second, guys. Let me grab a flashlight. This will be bright, so look away. Maybe it just fell out somewhere. Oh well, I will find that spring. Oh, I think apparently I left this on because it is not working. Never fear, I have another light. I'm not seeing a spring. Yeah, it must have fallen out somewhere. Curious. Alright guys, that was one heck of a lock. Zoom in for you. Show you what we have. All of the key pins were completely normal. No modifications or anything. All the magic was up here. Number one. And you can just see how that would just grab on. And you would never open the lock. Same with 2, which also had that nice serration. 3, same thing. Come on. Come on, camera. With that sharp lip. Same with 4. A little bit different shape. And nothing was done to 5, which is a normal quickset driver pin. Alright guys, I am shocked I opened it that quickly. That was a 1-week lock challenge by PickaWinner. I'll put a link to his description, or put a link to his channel in the description. I'm so excited, I can't even think straight. If you haven't checked him out, you should go check him out. He makes really clever locks. That was simply evil. Thanks a lot for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you'd like to trade locks with me, I'll put my email in the description. And have a great night.